Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google News and signing into the account that shows the feed. Once signed in, tap your profile icon or the settings gear to reach feed controls. You do this now so you can change what appears instead of guessing later. Make sure notifications are off if you want silence. Otherwise, proceed to personalize. This initial step gives you direct access to preferences, saved interests, and the main toggle that controls the feed behavior. Now you remove or reduce the feed content. You go to Interests to remove topics or sources you no longer want. Tap each item and choose Remove or Unfollow. Then visit Notifications and disable alerts for categories that push articles to your feed. If an option named Discover or For You exists, switch it off or narrow it to specific topics. Once done, double-check language and region settings to prevent automated content from reappearing in your feed. Finish by confirming your changes and testing the result. Refresh the app or reload the page. If articles still appear, clear the app cache or browser cookies. This forces settings to apply. You can also sign out and sign in again or reinstall the app to reset any stuck states. If problems remain, check linked services such as Google Discover or account-level activity controls, since they can repopulate the feed. One troubleshooting tip: toggling the same setting off and on often forces a sync that resolves stubborn items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.